welcome back to Eldora's YouTube channel. I'm Cheyenne and I'm a makeup artist. So today I'm going to show you how I apply my lashes. So my personal favourite look is to actually stack 2 pairs of Eldora H167 lashes, because even though I like my lashes to look quite natural, I still like them to have quite volume to them. So I use Eldora lashes personally because I find they've got so many different styles, and as a makeup artist you need different styles such as natural ones, thick ones, but then as well as this, the lash band is so important. I love how Eldora have got the clear bands, whereas they also do other styles like M106, M112, which have got quite a thick lash band, which is nicer for like your big lash lines. Step 1, you're going to start with 2 pairs of Eldora H167 lashes. So when I set my lashes, I actually like to get them out of the card and make a new lash. Step number 2, you want to start by taking your lashes carefully from the box. So what I like to do is I actually bend the card of the lash to remove it. I grab it from the middle, making sure one finger's on the bottom and one's on the top, and I just pull it like so. I then place this lash on top of this one. So you want to make sure you get it close to the band. Just give it a little shuffle up with your fingers. Make sure you press together. Like that. Can you see how much thicker this is now? That's what we're aiming for. So then we're going to take that lash and just pop it on top of this one. And just make sure both lash bands are close together. You don't have to be perfect, but the closer the better. Like that. Step 3, we're going to take our Eldora lash glue. We're going to take our lashes off the card like we've been doing. So just bend it, the lashes as one from the card. And this is where you can just alter the lashes just by sliding them with your fingers, just to make sure both lash bands are as close together as possible. Like that. We're then going to take our glue, and I just like to rub the brush around the outside to make sure there's no excess glue, and we're just going to start by applying a thin layer on the lash band, and then just repeat. So I like to focus the glue on the ends of both of my lashes because we know it's a nightmare when they ping off. Step 4, what I like to do is I take my Eldora lash glue and just use the little brush that comes with it to actually apply a thin line of glue to my eye. I know many people don't do this and they probably wonder, why are you doing that? But I'll show you. So what you'll need to do is just try and avoid actually looking up, because if you look up you'll end up with it everywhere. So give it a little. We're then going to take our lash right in the centre, and we're going to pop it directly in the middle of our eye. Like so. It doesn't need to be stuck on, and it is dangling off, but trust me. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take both corners and pop them in place. So once that's on, you're going to use your fingers to give it a little wiggle. And all the wiggling does is it drags the lash closer and closer to your natural lashes, because we all hate that little gap. And don't worry if you pull the face, because everyone does it. And then we're just going to repeat with our other lash. Step 5. So once your lashes are on, you're going to pinch your real lash and the false lashes together to create a seamless blend. So if you just wiggle it as you do it, it'll actually lower the lash. Like so. So one thing I love about the Eldora H167 is you can actually change how they look by messing with them. For example, if you look to the floor and actually push them upwards, for a couple of seconds, if you lift them, they become more dramatic. And if you lower them back down, you instantly become more natural. So that was my step-by-step for how I apply my Eldora H167 stacked lashes. Let me know in the comments below whether you like this look and if you've got any tips that you want to share. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'm Cheyenne. Thanks for watching. Bye.